Hello again, friends, and welcome to another unboxing. Today I am checking out this Manledio portable electric shoe glove and footwear dryer. So if you live in a cold climate, maybe you do a lot of hiking or snowboarding or anything like that, or just if you like to wash your tennis shoes, and keep them nice and clean. You know how difficult it is to dry your shoes. That's where something like this comes in kind of handy. You can use this to get them all dried out. Anyway, this is the unboxing video, and that's what we're doing right now. Let's check out what's in the box. Alright, so there's that, and there's that. And that's it for that. Okay, so we have instructions. Does not require assembly, blah blah blah. Seems fairly straightforward. That's a little packaging here. Okay, and here it is. Okay, first thoughts, it seems fairly sturdy. Alright, I'll figure it out. Looks like hot air blows out of here. Warning, do not expose the dryer to rain, spray, or liquids. Do not immerse dryer in water. Okay, do not place soaked or dripping wet shoes or gloves on the dryer. Do not leave dryer unattended for long periods of time. So basically you don't want to get this totally wet. Let's see. I don't know if I should plug this guy in here real quick. And I do have a plug-in right here. Let's check it out. Usually I don't do a demonstration right now during the unboxing, but I'm a little curious. Will this reach or not? We are plugged in. Okay, so it's off right now. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on the dial. It has off as 30, 60, and 120. I'm going to just go. Okay. Alright, so it just kind of does a nice, gentle, warm air out of there, nothing overpowering. And it has a timer here, so the timer allows you to kind of, I guess, oops, okay, let me just go in, I won't force it down, maybe. Okay, there we go. So that's how you open it. It opens. This is adjustable. You can have it up. If you want to bring it in and collapse again, you just push this button right here. There's a little tab right here. You can push it and that collapses. So, okay. So you can lift these up. Those lock in place. Put your boots on there like that. Turn the power on. It's nice little breeze coming out of there. Put a shoe on there, set it, and it should warm it up. It should force that hot out there and dry your shoe off rather quickly. So pretty cool. And to collapse these, have a little tab on the front. You can just push those and down. Same with this one. Down, and then this one, and down we go. Okay, that is that, my friends. I will be doing a little demonstration later on. So thanks for watching this unboxing. I believe I said you can grab this off of Amazon for about $25, I think. Double check here real quick. So yeah, $25, $45. I'll leave a link in the description below and you guys can check it out for yourself. I'll be doing a demonstration and a final product review later, and I will leave that link also in the description. You guys can check that out if you're kind of interested. So thanks for watching this unboxing video, my friends, and I will see you next time. Everyone have a great day out there. Take care.